Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a Boxycharm unboxing today. If you've never seen a Boxycharm unboxing, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that is makeup and skincare. It's kind of like Ipsy, but these are full-size products. I've done Ipsy and Birchbox and Boxycharm, and I much prefer Boxycharm. Can you hear my dogs? I have hardwood floors and dogs with little nails, so that's what you're hearing. Sorry about that. Okay, so the reason I prefer Boxycharm is because it's $21 a month and you get 5 full-size high-end makeup products. I watch makeup videos and I really enjoy them and I want to try all the things, but I can't afford to try all the things. But I can normally do $21 and then that gives me something to look at every single time. So I love it and I think it's super fun, so we're going to unbox it. Normally I go on YouTube and do Boxycharm unboxings and try to find out what I'm getting. And this time I was good and I did not do that. So I don't know what's in here and we'll go through it together. It's $21 and there's always at least $100 worth of product. So all I've done is cut the little seal. Here we go. Oh my goodness. All right, the first thing I see are these set of 3 crown brushes, a 3-piece brush trio. I'm super excited about that. The next thing I see is this CoverFX Shimmer Veil. I don't know what this is. Let's open it. Oh. I still don't know what it is, but it's pretty. Can you see that? I don't know if this is like an eye thing or a lip thing. Let's see. Oh, it's for eyelids, but it can be used anywhere you want. A veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. Oh, we better swatch that. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at that. I mean, I'm over 40, so I don't know how much I'm going to shimmer, but we'll try it out. Okay, this is from Ofra. Blush Winter Rose Glow. So this is a nice blush. I like Ofra. I've used their highlight before, and I think their highlights are very nice. Oh, so this is like got the little magnetic thing, so you can put it into like a Z palette. It feels a little dry. I don't know if you can see. We'll try it out. I'm excited. All right, the next item is by Jessica Libskind, and it's a Smokey eye pencil in jet black. Just this morning I was like, oh, I really need another eyeliner, so that looks very nice. I think the packaging is pretty. Yeah, I like that. Okay, the next item is from PUR Cosmetics, X-Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. I don't know if I need my lips any plumper, but I will try that out. It feels nice. You can feel like the exfoliation in there, like the little, it's kind of gritty, and yeah, I'll be trying that out. Oh, and last but not least. Oh, it's an Ofra like Z palette situation. I don't know how to open it. We'll figure it out. Oh, I see. Okay. So you've got the palette, it's magnetic. And then when you have these loose shadows, or like this blush, and then you can buy other ones and fill those in. I like that. That's cool. So let's see what our value is here. The pop-up palette, it's the mini pop-up palette, retails for $19. The blush refill retails for $12. The CoverFX Shimmer Veil retails for $28. And the Smokey eye pencil for $21. And the PUR Complexion Authority X-Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator retails for $17. And the brush set retails for $29.99. I'm super excited about this kit. It's called the Galaxy Glow Kit. Anyway, I will leave my Boxycharm link down below. If you are interested in this, you click on that link. I have no idea if I get anything, but I'll leave the link down below if you want to connect there and subscribe to their monthly Boxycharm. I love it. I think it's been super fun. It's my favorite box for sure. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll do this every month. I think it's super fun, and have a great day.